Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to change thumbnail on Instagram reel after uploading. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram profile, and for example, I'm going to change the thumbnail of this Instagram reel. We can click on the reel we want to change the thumbnail, and we can click on the three dots and go to the manage option. Alright, and select edit, and here you will be able to change the thumbnail on your Instagram reel. Just click on edit and you can choose cover from your video, or you can also add from your camera roll. I'm just going to add from my camera roll. I'm just going to pick random photo from my camera roll, this one, and click on done. Okay, and click on this check mark and just hold on until the process has completed. Okay, I'm going to check it guys. As you can see that now the thumbnail has been changed. Alright guys, and that's how we can change thumbnail on Instagram reel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.